Participation in social networks has become so common today that we constantly make notifications about something in our life, without thinking if it is being used correctly or if what is expressed through social media will bring negative results. 5 things you should not do in social networks. 1. Lying on social networks is a term that for some people is a habit. People creating ghost or false accounts, and from there they weave their network of lies to deceive or confuse. This is why we recommend that you be honest in the publications that you make and in everything you mention, thus providing security to your followers. 2. Abuse filters. Many social networks have a system that adds filters to their cameras, allowing the photo taken to be more fun and dynamic. But to abuse these filters, it gives the perception of the photo a change of being fun to a bit over-exaggerated, moving away from reality, gaining the criticism of people and even insults. Concentrate on being natural and show yourself as you are. Do not seek perfection, just be happy and feel safe when looking at yourself in the mirror. 3. Discuss. Discussions through comments, tweets or Instagram, contrary to generate a solution to the problem, usually complicate the situation more, starting rumors or misunderstandings, beginning a spiral of verbal abuse. The aim is to give respect to the comments of other people and exchange your ideas without creating contempt towards other people. 4. Post updates of everything you do. Social networks are a channel of expression for people. The way you express yourself says a lot about your personality. It is necessary that you limit yourself to sharing what is just and necessary. Do not reach the point of posting everything you are doing. 5. Inappropriate content. Remember that social networks is the mass gathering of people, so you must be very careful with what you post. Posting a daring selfie, photos while intoxicated, or moments like a funeral are very intimate situations that should not be spread.